Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to transfer your WhatsApp data from an Android device to an iPhone seamlessly. First, make sure you have both your Android and iPhone devices on hand, as well as a USB cable and a computer. Begin by backing up your WhatsApp data on the Android device. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Chats, and select Chat Backup. Follow the prompts to back up your chats to Google Drive. Next, on your computer, go to the official WhatsApp website and download the WhatsApp Transfer tool. Install the tool on your computer and connect both your Android and iPhone devices using USB cables. Launch the WhatsApp Transfer tool and select the Transfer WhatsApp Messages option. The tool will start transferring your WhatsApp data from the Android device to the iPhone. This process may take some time depending on the size of your data, so be patient. Once the transfer is complete, you'll be prompted to verify your phone number on the iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your number and restore your chats from the backup. Your WhatsApp data should now be successfully transferred to your iPhone. In conclusion, transferring WhatsApp data from an Android to an iPhone is a simple process when using the right tools. Remember to back up your data before starting the transfer to avoid any inconvenience. That's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.